If you're struggling with cravings, energy crashes, feeling snacky all day, or just feeling like your digestion is constantly off, I need to show you what has genuinely become one of my favorite daily routines. I've been using the Unicity Feel Great system for about a year now, and I honestly didn't expect it to become such a staple in my life. And I want to share my real experience because I know how frustrating it can feel when you're constantly thinking about food, your energy is all over the place, and your stomach just feels uncomfortable all the time. So this system comes with two products, the Balance Packets and Unicity. The Balance comes in these super convenient individual packets, which I love because I can throw them in my purse, my car, travel bag, literally anywhere. And then the Unicity drink that comes with it. You actually take this twice a day. And I actually want to spend extra time talking about the Unicity because this has become one of my favorite parts of the entire system. First though, quick backstory. I had been dealing with terrible stomach aches and digestive issues for months. I was going to a gastro doctor trying to figure out what was going on. On top of that, my energy felt like a roller coaster. I'd eat meals and then I'd feel tired or snacky or hungry again an hour later. It was so exhausting. I started using Balance before my biggest meal of the day, and one of the first things I noticed was how full I felt afterwards. Not stuffed, just satisfied. My brain finally got the memo that I had eaten. Sometimes after drinking this, I even get so full I hardly even need to eat dinner. And because of that, I wasn't wandering into the pantry looking for snacks later. Now, I do want to mention this because I think it's important. I started slowly. Fiber can be an adjustment if you're not used to it. I started with a quarter packet, then half a packet, and then a full packet, and it took me about 2 weeks to slowly work my way up to a full packet. For me personally, that worked really well. The Balance drink itself has a light citrus flavor and mixes into water. You drink it before your biggest meal of the day. It's designed with the fiber matrix that helps slow digestion a bit so you feel fuller longer and more steady throughout the day. It's awesome. And honestly, the convenience factor alone of the packets makes me stay consistent with it. So they are so easy. And you just rip them right here so you can take it with you on the go. If you're somebody like me who loves a little afternoon pick-me-up, but hates feeling jittery or crashing afterward, this has been amazing. Unicity is a yerba mate-based drink mix, and it gives me this clean feeling of energy and focus. It's not that panicky, over-caffeinated feeling like you drank a Monster. You take it every morning before breakfast, and if you want, again before lunch. I actually take a half packet before breakfast and a half before lunch, and it actually has a quick tear here too, so you can take it with you on the go. If you've ever tried the real yerba mate, it tastes like grass and some people hate it, but this is delicious and tastes like lemon. You shake it in the bottle and it blends up in 30 seconds. This actually gives me so much steady energy. I really look forward to taking the Unicity every day. The lemon flavor is super refreshing, especially over ice. And as a busy mom, I need extra energy sometimes or all the time. What I love is that the Feel Great system feels sustainable for real life. I'm not making some giant complicated smoothie with 17 ingredients. I'm not meal prepping for 6 hours. I drink a packet of Balance before my dinner, and I take half a Unicity in the morning and half in the afternoon. And I noticed when I stopped taking it for about a week on vacation, wow, my stomach discomfort came back fast. And I realized how much this routine had actually been helping me feel more comfortable and balanced every day. Another thing people always ask me is if it tastes weird, because fiber drinks can honestly be so gross sometimes. This one is actually pleasant. My 12-year-old drinks it and thinks it's fantastic. And because the packets are portable, it makes staying consistent so much easier. I can keep extras in my purse all the time. So inside the Feel Great system, you're getting a 30-day supply of Balance orange packets, a 30-day supply of Unicity natural lemon, portable single-serve packets, fiber before your biggest meal, yerba mate drink mix for energy. It's super easy and great on the go. And for me personally, this routine has helped me feel more satisfied after meals, more consistent with eating, and so much more energy. If you've been curious about the Feel Great system, this is definitely one of those things I recommend trying consistently for a few weeks so you can really see the benefits. If you're somebody who struggles with constant snacking, energy dips, or feeling like your digestion just needs more support in your routine, this is definitely worth trying. Go get yours today and feel the difference.